southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mahopac, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near peak skill around 6:25 p.m. Yorktown Heights around 6:30 p.m. Mount Pisgah around 6:50 p.m. Ossining and Haverstraw around 7 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The coastal waters forecast